Man, missed that entry here. I was setting up the Zoom. See if we can get something to the downside. Okay, for everybody up here. Take that entry. We're gonna go right there. So we are in this 5 minute from the news here. Um, but I'm anticipating hopefully we can uh power of three open high, 4 hour expand lower. We're inside of this 4 hour fair value gap bearish. Um, okay, even taking this low here. Maybe just about two there. This is a 15-minute low. Hope we can take this low here. Gonna watch how we react off of this wick. Probably take this right there. So no need to take the whole, don't get greedy, right? Just enough. Stack the wins. Look at executions here. Oh, I wanted to get this entry, but I was setting up the Zoom and I think I looked to the left to enter the link and I missed it. So this was our very first for value gap from the open. So if you look at 930 here, 930 open, and we scan to look for the very first inefficiency, and it's this one. So first presented fair value gap there. We can also look at this 15-minute time frame, right? Look at the SMT here. So notice how this 10 a.m. open drove higher into this wick, and we barely even got into the opening price on 930 uh on the ES, sorry, right here. So barely even got into this wick at 945. So maybe we'll see it better on the 5 minute.
Yeah, those SMTs lined it up beautifully. I took that
So
one at like
tap
9:45.
there, immediate rebalance on ES. And then if we look at the weekly, right? Weekly candle was what? Bearish. Daily, we have this daily bearish for value gap there. Then we go to the 4 hour, and it's inside of this 4 hour bearish for value gap. Wow. 4 hour bearish for value gap. Not really too clear on the 15, although if we look at the 15, um, we can see we had this, we swept previous day's high. And we had some relatively equal highs in here, swept them. Um, but I'm looking for this to possibly, like I said, on the if we look at the 4 hour, we'll do this. Right. So look at how we're nested inside this higher time frame PD array. Let me go to 1 minute. This, there's the daily for value gap. Right side to right. Daily fair value gap. Look at 50% of this daily fair value gap and where it lines up exactly. Midpoint right there. Boom. Boom. All right. And then we turn on power of three. We look at time frame. We want the 4 hour. So open high, and then we want to trade down. Right, we're anticipating this to be top wick and power of three. Let's see what Josh got here. One mini unfunded. Nice. Let's go. What time frame is this? Is it a 5 minute or a 30 minute? No,
That's on the one.
1 minute. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So first presented for bug gap there. Boom. Let's go. Very well done. They had 15-minute SMT, 5 minute SMT, and 1 minute SMT. And then he had a market structure shift at 9:45. Let's go. That's, yeah, he said clean AF. So see how we're expanding now to the downside. This is the 4 hour candle. Open high, low. Right, power of three. Opening price here, create the top wick into a P ray nested inside a higher time frame, right? And then again, like Josh said, he had 15-minute SMT where we failed to take these highs in here, right? Look at this high at 9 o'clock compared to this high at 9 o'clock, right? Swept it. Then we'll go to the 5 minute. Yeah, same thing here, right? 9:40. And then 1 minute SMT. Failed to take the high here on ES at 9:53. And we look here, same candle, 9:53. We tapped into that, right? How did I read that one? Yeah, that was really good, Josh. Way to go, brother. Definitely save that one for your records. Save that one for examples. So we also had this regular trading hours gap. So if we turn on the RTH, regular trading hours gap, you can see we have this gap from the open and the close yesterday. So money gains. Let's go, Josh. So you can look this news low is a suspect, but notice how we keep coming towards this 8:30 low and bouncing right now. So we swept up once, came up, boom, and here. So um, now we're coming up to 10:30 where we can see a retracement. So, but we want to count our PD rays, right? So we have one here and another one right there. So look at the 5 minute. There's a 5 minute here, so it could be retracing into this 5 minute. Sometimes it'll a 5 minute will close above and still reverse down. But it's this news one. I think we're having a bit of it's work inside of towards these lows right here. Let me make it like a specific color. You can see it's kind of just reworking in that lower half of this um 5 minute. But this is that news candle. So this is why I wanted to get out. Once we took that low one more time, I wanted to get out just in case, not be greedy, be done. This could come back up, dig into these highs. We do have internal liquidity now. These relative equal highs here from this SMT, but we would want to see it um, smack down, right? If we go from where we manipulated higher at 940 to the swing low here, um, negative one and a half, we typically we'll get a reaccumulation, or it can be yeah, it's reaccumulation, and then we want negative two to two and a half here as a target. And then we on negative two to two and a half, you can see a reversal or a continuation. Um, let's see where negative four standard deviation lands. Just about that London low. If you look at this area, it's like a really small area of consolidation, right? So this to me would be kind of like it looks ugly up here, but possible original consolidation for a market maker model. If we can start to break below these lows here, probably reaccumulate during the lunch, right? So um, kind of repeat everything on this side like this, but on the other side. So something over here. Um, and then we would probably want to see it speed through this last area. So London low could be a possible afternoon target. But again, you just see it come inside this negative two, possibly reaccumulate to lunch, and then uh, see a PM continuation. So, relatively equal highs on both sides in here, this accumulation. And 31. There we go. See if we can take that 15-minute low. Booyah. Very nice. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it there. Um, yeah, solid trade. Great job, Josh. Hope you guys caught that one. Um, and a small breakdown for you guys on what we were looking for. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Be safe. God bless. There's negative two hit. Bam.